explain to you how to disassemble the assembler. First, as I already mentioned before the video, this is the assembler cable for connected with the power board, so take it off. I'm sorry, I need to just a little bit clean here. Okay, after that, there's a 4 screws inside of here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. But you need to disassemble this part first, because for make it convenient. So I'm gonna try to disassemble the PMT assembly with the main board. Then just move it to the back downside. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4 screws are also here. This time you need to use the Digiray key. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Better than, please move it softly, and then yes, remove this part. So now please prepare the 2.5 key, but in this time please use it a little bit longer one. You see, this is not a straight side, so it's a little bit hard for you to disassemble like this long one. So please use this short one. I'm sorry. This is one we called it ball wrench. So this one is, you don't need to make it always straight. A little bit diagonals also you can use it for making it easier. So that's why I'm using this one. Last one. Okay, later then, I really hope that you can see here. Now you're gonna move a little bit softly, but when you try to push it, lift it up, it's not gonna work because there's also the small 1.5 screws inside of here. I hope that you can see this is the black one. Okay, let me just give me a second. This is 1.5, so try to use it 1 and 2. We call it mood bolt. I mean the mood screw. So yeah, try to also to disassemble here. This is a really small one, so please be careful and not to be damaged. Oh, I already I just drop inside. Okay, 1. 2. Both are just falling down inside. Okay, so after that, you just need to take it off. Now, this is the assembler. Okay, just please give me a second. I need to find the small bolts inside. Okay, see? Those 2 small, we call the mood screw, is hold tightly with the stem motor with this support metal bar. Okay, so this one is how to replace the stem motor. I mean, disassemble. Okay, so now I'm gonna reassemble the whole part of the stem. First, I'm gonna reassemble the stem motor. Okay, so already the screw is coming this outside. So yes, before push it, you need to put inside of this driver belt first. See, enough to put it inside, and then push it out. Push it inside. The first one is we need to assemble the mood screw. So the same small hole. Please try to be concentrate. Whole sense and okay. I just adjust one and the last one also. I hope that you can see very well. I'm sorry, I'm just trying to do my best. Okay, so also the assemble this mood screw inside. I'm sorry, this is the best way that we can show you about the assemble. I hope that if you have the scanner in front of you, then you can find easily. Okay. Okay. Right after that, see, there's we need to reassemble the 2.5. 1, 2. Two, 3, 4. Okay, now I'm done with the fixed assembler. After that, yes, as I mentioned, please connect with the power board with the assembler. Then the line should be going downside of this area. Match with the hole from this bottom. Of course, as we try to put the flat 6-pin flat cable inside of here from the main board to the front board with this one. So, okay, now we're gonna make it downside to assemble the screws. One, two, three, I'm sorry. Okay, this one needs to go a little bit. Now I got the position. Great. That's why I'm not always trying to adjust at one time. Just make first a balance of the whole screws first, and then I just try to fix it. All the screws. Great. So now try to reassemble the PNT assembly